We're going to solve this problem using a Venn diagram. So let's read the question. In a clinical group of 200 people with hypertension, 70 were in a diet program. So there's the diet program, 70 were in it. 110 were in an exercise program and 20 were in both the programs. So you can see that there is an overlap between the diet program and the exercise program because we know that 20 people were in both. So let's look at the Venn diagram. So this is what a Venn diagram for a problem like this looks like. Each region in the Venn diagram is shaded in a different color. So we have two circles. One is the diet circle. So the entire circle is the people who were in the diet program, the entire red circle. Now the entire green circle was people who were in the exercise program. So there's the green circle and the red circle. We know that the two overlap because there are 20 people in both the programs. So the green area is people who are in both the diet and the exercise program. The blue region in the Venn diagram is the people who were only in the diet program. The pink region is people who were only in the exercise program. And the orange, which is outside the two circles, is the people who are neither in the exercise program nor in the diet program. So let's put the numbers in to these various regions. So the one number that fits in directly is the overlap, which is people who were in both the programs. So that's 20. Now the number of people in the diet program, so the circle which is diet, must have a total of 70 people. Now, if you look inside the circle, we already have 20 people accounted for in the diet circle. Now, the balance is 50. So how did we get this 50? It's a total of 70 minus 20, which is equal to 50. And that's how we got this 50. So there are 50 people in the blue region, which means there are 50 people who are in the diet program only and not in the exercise program. Now, the total number of people in the exercise program is given to be 110. So the entire green circle, which is the exercise circle, must contain 110 people. Out of the 110 people, we've already accounted for 20 inside the circle, which is the overlap region. Now, the rest of the people are in the pink region, which is related to the people who who are in the exercise program only. So let's make sure we have the right count. So 90 plus 20 is 110, which is the total in the exercise circle. So now let's count all the people who are sitting in the two circles. So the total count is in the two circles. So this is counting only the people in the two circles, is 50 plus 20 plus 90. We've made sure that we don't count the overlap twice because we've done the subtraction. So that would be 160. So a total of 160 people are sitting inside the two circles. There are a total of 200 people in the group, out of which we subtract 160 who are sitting in the two circles, and we are left with 40. So the orange region or the tan region has 40 people, which means that 40 people are not in the diet program and they are not in the exercise program, which means they are in neither one of the programs. So now we can easily answer all these questions using the Venn diagram that we carefully constructed. How many were in the diet program and not remember, and not in the exercise program. We know that there were 70 people in the diet program, but here we have a condition. They cannot be in the exercise program. So that corresponds to the blue region. So the number sitting in the blue region is 50. 50 out of the 70 people in the diet program were in the diet program only and not in the exercise program. How many were in the diet program or the exercise program? So when I say or, I go 50. So that's only diet, plus 90, which is only exercise, plus 20, which is both, and the total is 160. Now, how many were in neither the exercise program nor the diet program, which means they cannot be sitting in any one of those circles. They have to be sitting outside the circles. So there are a total of 160 people in the two circles. If 200 people are in the clinical study, we subtract the 160 to get 40, and 40 is the number of people who are neither in the exercise program nor in the diet program.